Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a video inside of text on CapCut PC. So for this to happen, you need to first create a video text or a text video. So I'm using this black background. Then I'm going to just go to text and add my text in here. I'm going to just use hello. Then I'm going to change the font that is like bold or have some volume like this. Okay, I'm going to use this font right here. Then after that, you just need to export this project first. So after it's done, you need to import it again, re-import it again to CapCut PC. Okay, I'm going to just go to the import page and I'm going to find this projects. Okay, so I'm going to import this project and then I'm going to delete this. Okay, so you need to add this text video that you just created. Then after that, add the text that you want. So I'm going to just add, for example, this videos right here and put it on top of the text video, so it will go as overlay like this. Then just click on this video overlay and go to blend, then choose darken. Okay, so it will go like this and the text when you play it will inside so the video will inside the text like this, will be inside the text. Okay, so I hope this will be helpful. I hope that you like this video. So don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe. Bye.